Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the topic branching, right? So today we'll be going with the topic sorting. So let's get into the definition part here. What is sorting? Sorting is the process of arranging the data in a particular order. So whether it may be ascending or the descending, right? So here Python offers built-in methods like sorted and dot sort for sorting iterable objects, right? So I hope this is clear, man. Right, again, sorting is the process of arranging the data in a particular order, whether it may be ascending or the descending. Python offers built-in methods like sorted and dot sort for sorting iterable objects, right? So I hope this is clear. So again, sorted of iterable. So if I give here this one syntax, sorted of iterable. So this one, basically what it does, it returns a new sorted list from any iterable. Just remember this one, it returns a new sorted list from any iterable. Also, suppose this one list this one list dot sort, right? So list dot sort, this modifies the list in place and it returns none. This modifies the list in place and it returns none, right? Both support parameters reverse equals true and key equals function. Reverse equals true means if we want the sorting in the descending order, we can give reverse equals true for the descending order, and key equals func, this one key equals func, this one, if we want to make use of this one, so we can make use of this one, sorry, just to apply the custom sort logic, right? So just keep this in mind, man, right? So now let's get into the example part. Let me define a list of integers first. So I'll just give here numbers. So let me give here unsorted numbers 5 2 9 1 7, some random numbers, man. This is fine. Now I'll just make use of the sorted. So basically which returns a new sorted list, right? So original list remains unchanged. We have discussed this one, right? So I'll just go with the sorted underscore numbers here. I'll just go with sorted. This was showing in the suggestions, right? Sorted of, what is the this thing? Variable name we have used numbers, right? Sorted of numbers. So let's print something here. Print. So I'll just go with the sorted list. So this will be in the ascending order, right? So I'll just give this one ascending. This is fine. And finally, comma, I'll just go with the sorted numbers. Sorted numbers is the variable name we have made use of, right? So this is fine. This is fine. We don't need semicolon. So this is Python. Next one, let's go with the sorted method again with the reverse equals true. Means we are returning a new list sorted in the descending order, right? So I'll just go with the same thing. Let me copy the same thing here and make the necessary changes, man. So this one, instead of sorted numbers, I'll just give descending numbers. I'll just go with bers, right? So here sorted of numbers, along with sorted of numbers, we have to give, for the descending order we have to give reverse equals true, reverse equals true, right? So this is fine. uh, the here I have given the variable name descending numbers, right? So we have to call the variable here, right? So we have to call the, or give the variable name here descending numbers instead of the sorted numbers, right? So this is fine. Let me remove semicolon again, so this is not required. So now we have, so what is the error here? Unnecessary semicolon. Okay, let me remove the semicolon here. This is fine, I guess. Now we have seen, yeah, we are done with the ascending order sorting and the descending order sorting. Now let's show the original list that is not changed by the sorted, right? So I'll just print here. Let me print here original list, so this is fine. Finally, let me give numbers here, numbers, this is fine. Yeah, so what happened here? Invalid syntax, parsing failed. Why? We are just printing the original, so we already have this one, right? So I can just go with original list. Parsing failed, invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma. Oh yeah, we have to give comma here, right? That is the reason it was not showing suggestions as well. Yep. This is fine. Finally, I'll just go with a list dot sort, which sorts the list in place, right? So yeah, the variable name we have given numbers in the place of list dot sort. I'll just go with a sort function, right? So this is fine. This is it. So let's print something so that we see the output correctly. So I'll just go with list of the mm, in place in place sort, list of the in place sort. So this is fine. I'll just go with the numbers, right? So this is for sorting the this one sorting the array in ascending order. This is for sorting the array in descending order, because we have made use of the reverse equals true, and we can go with the key equals function if we want to go with the customized sorting, right? So custom sorting. So this is fine. This is just to print the original list, this one original array, this one original list, right? So this is array list. We have, if we want to sort in place, then we have to go with the list dot sort, right? So as I've said, so we are going with the numbers dot sort here. I hope this is clear as well, right? So here in this class we have to, let's see, let me run this one first. After that I'll just discuss the same thing. So this will be sorting dot py. So here, first one ascending, we are getting 1 2 5 7 9. This is in the ascending order, and this one is in the descending order, 9 7 5 2 1. This is also fine. So this one is descending, right? So why I have given ascending here? So let me make this descending. This is fine. And we are getting the original list 52917, right? We are just printing the original list, that's it. So here we are modifying in place, making use of the list dot sort, nothing but numbers dot sort, variable name dot sort, right? So here we are getting 1 2 5 7 9, that is sorted in the ascending order basically, right? So we are getting the correct output as expected, right? So we are getting the output as expected. Basically, sorted numbers, this one sorted numbers and the descending numbers are new lists that are sorted in the ascending and descending order respectively. We know this. The original numbers list remains unchanged until dot sort is called. This one, line number 12 I'm speaking of, right? After sort, this one numbers dot sort, whatever I have used in the line number 14, after sort number says sorted in place. If you want to sort in place or modify in place, we can just go with the sort function, right? So this is it for the sorting, right? So I hope the sorting part is completely clear, very easy to understand, right? So again, let's this is it for the sorting. I'll just summarize whatever we have learned so far, man, right? So we will be making use of sorted this one I'm speaking of sorted keyword to get a new sorted list, and we will be making use of the dot sort, this one sort, to modify the list in place. We can sort in ascending or descending order using the reverse, so this keyword, right? And also we can make use of key for the custom sorting logic, right? So for sorting the strings by length and other stuff, we can just make use of key equals function, right? So for the custom sorting logic, right? So these things you have to keep in mind for the sorting. So we are done with the sorting topic, right? So we are done with the sorting topic. Next we'll be discussing on the searching, right? So next we'll be discussing on the searching topic. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.